One of the most common reasons that some people don't want to use the internet is because they're worried that something will go wrong. The good news is that most of the time, it's pretty easy to fix a mistake. When you're using a browser and you go somewhere you didn't mean to, clicking on the back button will bring you back to the last page you were on. Android devices and some programs, like Microsoft Word, also have an undo button that looks like this. Clicking on it will undo the last thing that you did. You can usually undo several things by clicking on it more than once. If a window opens a page that you didn't want, clicking on the X at the top right will close it. On phones and tablets, you can usually leave an app without closing it by pressing the Home button. If you want to close an app on the iPhone or iPad, push the Home button twice. Then use your finger to swipe the app you want to close off the screen. If you have a more recent iPhone or iPad with no Home button, swipe your finger halfway up from the bottom of the screen and then lift your finger. This will open a new window where you can close apps by swiping them up and off the screen. On an Android device, tap the square next to the Home button. Then swipe the app off the screen. Sometimes this is on the right, sometimes on the left. If you're using a computer that runs the Windows OS and a program is frozen or doesn't close with the X button, you can press the Control, Alt, and Delete buttons on your keyboard at the same time. That will bring up the Task Manager window, where you can click on the program that you want to close and press End Task. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Option, and Escape instead. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in the series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.